I'm shaking in my boots, but let's do her. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Amelia's World. I just wanted to come on here and give you an intro and tell you a little bit about myself. I do have a script, so if you see me looking off camera, it's because I'm reading, because I've literally done this so many times, and yeah, this shit's hard. So kudos to anybody who like makes videos and knows exactly what they're saying off the top and it makes sense, because when I talk, it doesn't make sense. Over the last couple of years, I have learned a lot of habits and methods that felt really good to me and that I have taken note of. At my current state of wellness, I definitely could use some motivation. So doing these videos are essentially my way of like keeping myself accountable, because then I'm gonna share it with you guys. The past few years, I have done weight training, and then that evolved into yoga. So now I'm in a place where I just wanna like put all of those things together and have a unified routine. I'm working on my mind, I'm working on my body and my spirit, you know, just making sure I go back to these tips and exercises has really grounded me and like given me a place to start, because I can get really scatterbrained, as you probably can tell in this fight. Well, like this.
God damn it! Will you shut the hell up? We can vacation, take you all around the world, get you free. If I only had it once, it would be a shame. Tell me what you want, I'm tired of the waiting. I can do you wrong if you won't stay. Would it keep me on your mind long enough, babe? Should I be nice? Should I be rude? Do I text twice? Do I play cool? I could do it all if you want, babe. Baby, won't you let me ride? Tell me what you like. I can't read your mind bad as I want to. I really want you. Baby, won't you let me ride? Tell me what you like. I can't read your mind bad as I want to. I really want you. Be the one, you can be the only. If you wanna be my girl or just a homie, I can give you love, I can play it cool for you. I can pick you up or send the pool for you. If I use my tongue, baby, would you like that? If you wanna bite, baby, girl, I'll bite back. I can show you some, this could be a lesson. So tell me what you want, I'm tired of guessing, baby. I can do you wrong if you won't, baby. Will I keep me on your mind long enough, baby? Should I be nice? Should I be rude? Should I text back? I really want you, girl.
Tell you why I like it and how it supported my period since the first day I've ever tried it.